MC Newell Hobbies with your hosts, Mike and Cheryl.
Well, we're back at the Garden Railroad. I'm not going to do a lot of narrating on this because I'll let the trains do the talking because it's such a beautiful place. You don't need to hear me talk. But stay to the end of this video and you'll see them put them away in the shed. The shed is out on the layout. You back them into it. It's just amazing. It's almost magic how it happens up there because it looks like the shed's only 6 or 7 feet deep, but it's actually a lot deeper. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you for watching. So on with the trains. Well, this is the brains of the whole operation right here, running 3 different tracks. There is under these glass pieces of servos that are running back and forth to keep the track at a constant voltage or amperage, I'm not sure which, but it's keeping it a constant, and you can see it here. Rolling out and rolling in to keep it around 3 volts or 3 amps. I'm not sure which it is. I'm not an electrician or electronic guy.
She's really working.
Sure.
residents. They were Illinois Sentinels, right? Yeah, got some quick. They went up the hill. Got a. Actually, we had a lot of fun doing this.
Now we're at the end of the video where he's got to put all this train in this train shed. And the shed is only like 6 or 7 feet long from front to back, but they go into tunnels that go back deep into the ground. And it's just it's like magic. If someone's watching it, how in the world, how's that get all the way in? There's no way that fits in there. But anyway, Brian's getting in here. He's going to operate it from the inside with his remote. So just watch this. It's just really amazing.
You need to go in?